Hello, in front of me I've got FORD Mondeo. In this video I'll show you where can you find toolset location. To find toolset in your car, take a look at the trunk. Firstly, on the left side you can find emergency triangle. Behind this cover you can find fuse box. Behind this cover you've got access to rear lights. Here we've got tape where we can find spare lights, and under the boot we can find spare tire, and under spare tire we can find necessary keys and tools to replace the spare tire. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.